So to be able to draw the graph that we're looking at now is y is equal to 3x minus 4. And the first step to being able to plot that graph is to draw the xy table. And to draw the xy table, you need to take into consideration the values that have been given in the question. And the values in the question says it goes from minus 4 to minus 3. So that's what you want to put on your xy table. I'm just going to put that in and you guys can help me to populate it. I've got minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So what do we have when x is equal to minus 4?
Minus 16.
Minus 16. What about minus 3?
Minus 13.
Minus 13. What about minus 2?
Minus 10.
Minus 10. What about minus 1?
Minus 7.
Minus 7. What about 0?
Minus 4.
Minus 4. What about 1?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. And how about 2?
2.
And the last one is 3.
5.
5. So that's all done. The next step now, so we've done step 1 and 2 already. We've done using substitution to populate the xy table. If you do not know how to do substitution, you need to go back to the video in the Maths Junction website where I showed you how to use to do substitution. Now you need to choose an appropriate scale, and this is where people get it all confused. And you need to pay attention to how you need to do this one now. You need to choose an appropriate scale and draw the XY axis. So I'm going to start off. You need to use a ruler and a pencil to do this part now. To draw your Y axis, and you label it, and you draw your X axis and you label that. For this bit, you need to use a ruler and a pencil. Okay, to be able to choose that scale, you need to be thinking about how you're going from X to from the starting of your X to the end of your X. I'm going from minus 4 to 3, so I can go up in ones. Yeah, so if that is minus 4, that can be minus 3, and that can be minus 2, and that can be minus 1, and that can be 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, to make it even, I'm just going to put 4 there. Also, to go to from the y is going from minus 16 to positive 5. So I probably want to go up in 2s, or go up in 5s, or go up in 1s. However, but in this case, let me go up in 2s or in 5s. Yeah, so I'm going to go 5, 10, 15. Yeah, and I'm going to go minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, and minus 20, because I got minus 16 there. Now the first point on there is now we need to do plotting the coordinate points. To plot the coordinate points, we need to consider the x coordinate and the y coordinate. We have minus 4 and minus 16. So x is minus 4, y is minus 16, should be somewhere down here. Okay, minus 3 and minus 13 should be somewhere here. Minus 2 and minus 10 should be somewhere here. Minus 1 and minus 7 should be somewhere here. 0 and minus 4 should be somewhere here. And 1 and minus 1 should be somewhere here. 2 and 2, that's coming up here now. And 3 and 5 should be somewhere up here. And once you've got that, now you should have a nice straight line. And all you have to do now, sorry, because mine is not on a graph paper, all you have to do now is using a ruler, join that all the way up. Yeah, join that all the way up. It's not going to make a perfect straight line because I haven't done it like on a graph paper, but yours should be a perfect straight line. Yeah, join it all up and then label the graph. Y is equal to 3x minus 4. And I think that should be everything done.